Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make raw vegan Raffaello. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Firstly, we have to blend nuts. I will use walnuts and hazelnuts and sunflower seeds. All of them soaked all night. Now we add an avocado. Almond milk. In the description below will be a link to the film how to make it. Coconut oil. Some lemon or lime juice. Now we add a layer of cinnamon, carob, and if you achieve two liquid mass, you can add coconut flour or shredded coconut. Now we have to form small balls and put inside, for example, an peeled almond. If the mass stick to your hand, try to wet them with the water. Now these balls we have to roll in shredded coconut. Now we have to cool our Raffaellos. You can pack them nicely and they will be a perfect gift for every occasion. Bon appetit!